Hello everyone, let's go for the beginner class. So this beginner class will start with this simple pattern. Here we're gonna start to check. Look, I open the position and I check like this. A check is like a touch. I touch the floor and I lead my partner to touch the floor. Then I'm gonna open and go that way. Here, like this. So when I open, check, I go like this. Here I try, so of course my leg is like this because I was basically like this, but I try to go in this position. I'll show you. Check like this. I try to pivot. Here, check like this. Then from here I check to the back, check, then I lift the leg of my partner, lift, and then I go. And here I will sing Saida woman. Sa I da woman. Then after that I'm gonna pass the other way and I'm gonna make my partner pass here and I make her pass. Then I step with her, step, and then I sing Saida again. Sa I da until the end. I will show it to you from the very beginning in a slow motion and in a different way. Check to the back, check, lift, go to the front, Saida woman, Saida woman, Saida woman. I pass and I bring her. Pass, she pass, I go with her, Saida woman, Saida woman, Saida woman, Saida woman, till the end. From this position, check, go to the back, check, lift, go to the front, Saida woman, Saida woman, Saida woman. I pass, she passes the front of me, I go with her, Saida woman, Saida woman, Saida woman, and finish. So now speed it up. So here, check to the back, check, lift, go, Saida woman, and go like this. She pass, I follow her, Saida woman, and go. Here, check and check, go, check, lift, and Saida woman like this. She pass like this and Saida woman again like